Let's talk about how to fix the error hacksaw. Update stack for not installing in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
This might sound glitchy, but seriously, a simple system reboot can often clear up minor glitches and stuck processes before diving into more complex solutions. Give your box a full restart and make sure your internet router gets a quick power signal too. Sometimes the fresh connection is all it takes to kickstart that stubborn download, allowing the update to proceed without a hitch. The Microsoft Store and Spox app can sometimes get cluttered with corrupted data, which directly leads to update issues. To fix this, hit the Windows key, type /X and press Enter. This command will clear the store's cache and restart it, often resolving download problems and letting the FH update install properly. Don't worry, it won't delete any of your installed games or personal data. Microsoft provides built-in tools designed to fix common system problems, and the Windows Update Troubleshooter is a powerful tool here. Search for Troubleshoot settings in your Windows search bar, then find Windows Update and run the Troubleshooter. This tool automatically scans for and attempts to fix issues, preventing updates from installing, which is often the root cause of the hacksaw error. If the previous steps haven't worked, we might need to re-register some critical Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and meticulously enter a series of commands to stop and restart key services like Bits, Windows Update, and cryptographic services. After re-registering the necessary tools and restarting those services, try updating Forza Horizon again. This deeper dive often resolves persistent update errors by refreshing the system's ability to handle downloads.